Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
We are Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, and we are talking about accessories. Everybody loves to accessorize their vehicle, but of course, Jackson, that means a mess under the hood and a mess when it comes to wiring, and who knows what's going to be on your dashboard. So how has S-Tech changed the game when it comes to switch panels?
So we provide a complete kit for vehicle-specific solutions.
What comes in the kit when you buy it?
You get the switch panel of choice, the bracket under the hood, the S-Tech box to power all your accessories, and then whatever logos you want to mark everything out.
In the old days, it was the metal toggle switch, and if you're lucky, you got a nice rocker switch, but it was just generic with, mine is orange, and that is all that I have on my vehicle. So how can you personalize it for somebody, and what are the options?
Right, so with these push buttons, we laser engrave these to order. So any logo you can think of, we can make. And if there's something not on our list, just send us an email, give us a phone call, and we'll make up what you want. Or if you want something classic, then we do have the old school rocker switches.
You guys make them there in-house?
Yep, we make all of the logos in-house. We make all the housings, and all the wiring is done inside.
All done in Colorado?
Conifer, Colorado.
Very cool. So the buttons are customizable. What about fitting into different vehicles?
Yeah, we want the OEM fit and finish. So we will make a vehicle-specific housing for each vehicle that we offer. Whether it's for a Jeep, for a Toyota, for a Jeep JK, for a Chevy Colorado, or even onto Sprinter vans.
The Sprinter vans I know are super popular, and folks are adding all kinds of stuff to it. So I notice you have two different boxes here for the Sprinter vans.
Yeah, for different years available. So this is the 07s and up to 18, and this is 2019 and newer. Or if you needed something more universal, then we have universal options.
Those universal options, you have a flip-up version there, or what else?
Correct. Yeah, these are the flip mounts. So if you want it on a dashboard or something, then you can tuck that out of the way.
Or under the dash there?
Or under the dash, yeah. Or if you just want a standard mount, those are available.
Excellent. So what am I going to see inside the vehicle as far as wiring and that sort of thing once I get it installed?
Yeah, once it's installed, you'll see your switch panel, which fits in the dashboard and the cubby. That's what our patent covers. Or overhead on the rearview mirror, that kind of option. And then under the hood, you have the S-Tech box. So all the wiring for your accessories connects to this box.
And something that jumped out to me, different finishes available too?
Yep, different finishes as with all of our other products. So you can have carbon fiber, textured, or matte. And that's up to you, what you feel looks best in your vehicle.
I know everything is 3D printed there. How much does that speed up the process when somebody wants something customized?
A whole lot, so we don't have to wait to create an injection mold tool. We can rush something out in a couple of weeks and have something that didn't exist before, which is pretty cool.
You have the universal stuff there, but if somebody really wants something customizable, is that something you can do?
Yeah, if they have a vehicle that they feel they would want something a little more clean than the universal, then they can send us a trim piece and we can mic it up, print it out in a couple days, and then send it back to them.
All right, I know folks are asking about installation as they watch this. They want to know what that process is like. So what has to go under the hood and how does that all work?
So we make it as easy as possible and as plug and play as we can do it. So you get the vehicle specific bracket, like for a JK, Colorado and such, and you're just mounting this under the hood on our bracket. And then the hardest part would be the trim removal to mount the switch panel inside the vehicle.
What's entailed there?
Depends on the vehicle. On the Jeep JLs, we can use the cubby that's in there and use the pre-existing holes to mount that securely. For the Chevy Colorado and Canyons, then you need to remove a piece of the trim in that cubby and then bolt in this new panel.
Gotcha. What are some of the stranger things people have had you customize?
We don't get a whole lot of crazy things. The
Not
craziest
yet.
is probably an ejection seat, something like that.
Nice. I need an ejection seat in my vehicle. Very good. Once all this is installed, what kind of warranty are we talking here with the product?
5-year warranty. As long as something goes wrong that you didn't intentionally cause, we're going to take care of it.
Back when S-Tech started, what was the motivation behind what you guys do?
We wanted something to look and feel as if it was meant for the vehicle. So not just bolting onto the dash if we can help it. And yeah, we wanted to clean up all the random relays and fuses under the hood.
You can see how great it looks on this pickup truck behind me. It's going to look great in your vehicle too. You can find them at stechswitch.com. And you can find more great products for your vehicle when we come back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. See you in a minute.